Welcome again to our class, SAT class. We are in the 7th part of the quadratic equation. Not only in SAT, it's in your algebra class. But today we will practice more problem. Please, if you like, subscribe, and you will see a lot of videos about SATs. Okay, quadratic equation part 7, let us go to our class. Okay, now we stop at what is one of the factors of x squared minus 4, okay? Now let us go to this problem. What do you want now? Factors of what?
X squared.
We have to focus on these two numbers, right? Negative 11 and what?
28. Positive
28, right?
Yeah.
Now we need two numbers. Multiply 2. X and x. Two numbers multiplied to 28 add up to negative 11. Which is what?
Negative 4 and negative 7.
He said negative 4 and negative 7, which is good, you're right, negative 4. To make sure that your answer is right, add negative 4 and negative 7, give you negative 11, right?
Yeah.
And multiply them, will be 28.
Yeah. No, the first.
Okay, now, what are the roots? Roots. That means he wants you to factor and to solve. Roots, he wants you to factor and what?
To solve.
Do it, Sid. X squared minus 8x now factor it, hold on. You factor, small handwriting. Factor it. Two number multiplied to 32, add up to a
16, 2.
but what? Negative, just different color, yeah? You're right. Negative what? Negative. Because negative 16 times negative 2 is positive 32, right? Negative 16 times negative 2 is what? 32, right?
Yeah.
If you multiply. If you add negative 2, negative 18. What's the trick I told you, Safe, about to find the roots? You have to understand, guys, roots, the same meaning of what? X-intercept. Root, the same meaning of what?
X-intercept.
X-intercept.
So it's positive 16.
Then look here, for the SAT, circle this with the sign, your answer will be the opposite. It's going to be 2. 16 and what? 2, which is what?
E.
With a C safe. Yeah, go ahead. Small handwriting. Let them see you what you do. Okay. Different color after that. Use different color. Huh? 2 number multiplied to negative 48, add up to 8. In the side, just you put them in the side if you have any two choices. 12 and 4 safe. Negative 12,
Yeah.
positive 12, minus 4. Why? Okay. 12 times negative 4, look here. 12 times negative 4, negative 48, right? 12 plus negative 4 is 8, right? Now what's my trick? Safe to find the roots.
Flip this sign.
Minus 12 and here what?
Positive 4.
But plus 4. Which is?
C.
Okay. Next. Now, here more problem. The fraction x plus 9, when he said equivalent, then you have to factor as much as you can, and you have to simplify. This becomes x plus 9, leave it. Give me different color for the denominator, because anyone, I'm gonna factor it, I'm gonna do it in different color. X squared minus 81, we call it, guys, difference between two squares. If I have time one day, I have to make a full class for factoring, all type of factoring. This difference between two squares, we can do it like this: x minus 9 and x plus 9. Then x minus 9 and x plus what? 9. Okay, which one gonna cancel?
X plus 9.
Okay. X plus 9, right?
Yeah.
This guy with this guy, left only 1, then we have 1 over x minus what?
9. So it's A.
This guy here. Now at the bottom, I'm gonna do this one. Okay, then after that, I'm gonna go to that one. The same thing. Here is a big 1, right? I'm gonna back that guy there. Because this factoring and this factoring. This we're missing here, give me black. We have x squared here. Now we have to factor both of them. Give me a different color now. We have to factor the top. You open 1, 2. X and x. Say if I need two numbers, multiply to 33, add up to 14. That's, give me different colors.
11 and 3.
Yes, good job. 11 and 3. That's 11 and what?
3.
In the bottom, what I have? Give me the blue. X and x. Give me the different color. Two number multiplied to negative 33, add up to 8, plus 8.
11 negative
11 and negative 3, plus 11. What here?
3.
What we have here?
Plus x.
Plus, then what we have?
X plus 3.
Over x minus 3. Then my answer is A, right? X plus 3, x minus 3. Okay, let us go to that for a problem. Watch the time for me, please.
You have 4 minutes.
Okay, good, good. We do a good job, right?
Yeah.
Now, what is one possible? Look here. Now, and I meant that to tell you intercepts. I meant to tell you roots, intercepts, roots. Now, I'm giving you one possible value for x, right? Then you can see it roots. You can see it intercepts. You can see it what? One possible value. I have to move the 12 to this side to be able to solve it. X squared minus x. When you move this guy from this side to this side, you minus 12, right, Safe?
Yeah.
Becomes minus 12 equal what? 0, right? X and x. I need two number, multiply to negative 12, add up to what? Negative 1, good? Which is negative 4 plus what? Plus what?
3.
Negative 4 times negative 4 times 3, negative 12, right? And what else? Negative 4 plus 3, negative 1, right? Which is?
Negative 4 is the answer. Or 4 is the answer. Positive 4.
Then x equal, what's my trick? We said? 4 and negative 3. See which one you need.
So yeah.
4. We have, okay, we have time, right?
Yeah.
What is one possible value? Plus here what I have to do? Minus 10, right? Say watch. I cannot leave this side. The right side has to be always what? 0. The right side has to be always what?
0.
0. Then x squared minus 3x. What? Negative, this cancel with this. Negative 40. Negative 40. Now what factor? Stop me when the time is over, okay? Okay, what we have?
85.
X and x, thank you. He said 8, negative 8, right? 8 and 5?
Yeah.
No? 8 and 5. Yes, 8 and 5. Yes, you're right. Minus 8 plus what?
5.
Negative 8. Look here, negative 8 times negative 5.
Is negative 40.
Negative 40, you're right. And if you add them, negative 3, right? Then x equal 8. And x equal what?
Negative 5. So D.
D. We have all of this choice. We have time, right?
Yeah.
How much?
2 minutes.
Good, good. We're doing a good job, right? You see now? Now, look here, I'm gonna do this problem. He said, what is one possible? It's a little hard. We're gonna do cross multiply. What we gonna do?
Cross multiply.
Cross multiply. I'm gonna enlarge this to see. Okay, that's enough. Good, right?
Yeah.
Then here, how we do the cross multiply? X plus 5. Look here. Let me just, okay, can I have the eraser? Can I have the eraser? Maybe I'm gonna have extra time for this problem. I need to mention in the SAT, I have no time to cross multiply. In SAT, I have no time to cross multiply. But I'm gonna do it in a long way to teach you the math, the proper math. But in SAT, you blend the numbers. Look here. Look how I'm gonna do, watch me. Use the negative 5. Negative 5 plus 5.
Is 0.
Over any number. 0, right? 6 times 5.
Negative.
30 minus 6. 24. This is the answer. That's the wrong answer, right? It's impossible to be an answer, right?
Wouldn't it be negative 36?
Well, even though the left side is 0, right?
Yeah.
The left side is 0, the right side has to be 0. Go to negative 4. Negative 4 plus 5. Give me a different color. Negative 4 plus 5. 1 over 4, right?
Yeah.
6 times negative 4. Negative 24, right?
24.
Minus 6
Negative 3.
over what? 0, which is impossible. Right? 3 plus 5.
8.
Divide by 4 is 2, right?
Yeah.
6 times 3
It's 18.
minus 6,
Negative 24.
12,
Or just 20.
12 over what? 6 times 3, 18, right?
Yeah.
18 minus 6,
12.
12. 3 plus 4, 7.
7.
That's wrong, right? 5 plus 5
10.
over 2 over 4, 2.5, right? This, if you have this more safe, 2.5, right? 30 minus 6, 24 over 9, which is impossible. Then my answer is what?
11.
11 plus 5
16.
over 4,
4.
6 times 11
66.
minus 6,
60.
60 over 15, it's 4. Look, now, okay, this is the way. But okay, just, I'm gonna erase, give me the eraser. After I explain you all this, right? I'm gonna do cross multiply. I'm gonna do what, Seth?
Cross multiply.
Just to teach you some algebra stuff. Cross multiply.